Want to streamline your dropshipping business? DSers might be the solution. This dropshipping tool simplifies product sourcing and order fulfillment. As an official AliExpress partner, DSers is perfect for Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix users. Its bulk order processing blasts multiple orders directly to AliExpress, saving you tons of time. Product mapping lets you link multiple suppliers to one product, preventing stockouts. Automatic inventory and price syncing keeps your store up to date, minimizing customer service headaches. Find the best suppliers based on price, delivery, and reliability with supplier optimization. DSers also simplifies variant management, combining variations like size and color into one listing. Integrated order tracking keeps your customers informed. Beginners will appreciate the user-friendly interface, tutorials, and support. While focused on AliExpress, DSers scalability and automation benefit businesses of all sizes. DSers is a powerful tool for dropshippers seeking an efficient and scalable solution. Its automation and AliExpress partnership make it a top choice for time-saving and reliable operations. Check the links below to learn more and see if DSers is right for you.